سنة الأخبار كاين كاع لي ديسكور اليوم فرونسيس تغليزيف هو كان وقالوا نفهم انا تقبايليت نعرف فرونسيس تتفهمن ولا استغليزيف.
هذا يسر famous دولة استغليزيف. We are here gathering today in front of the Algerian embassy, an institution which represents the Algerian regime, which regime, it should be remembered, is illegitimate, contested and vomited by all Algerian citizens, not only in Kabylia. In the December 12 elections, Tebboune was proclaimed president after a mock election. This election did not concern Kabylia, where Tebboune did not obtain one single ballot. In Kabylia, any MAC activist is more legitimate than any member of the Algerian government. In Kabylia, Farhat Mehni, president of the Kabyle provisional government in exile, is more legitimate than Tebboune. We are therefore faced with an illegitimate regime that uses armed forces which cannot be qualified as police, but as a militia, to harass and kidnap Kabyle citizens who aspire to live in dignity. The harassment of the regime has no limits. In self-respecting countries, justice is independent and the administration neutral. In Algeria, justice has become a tool of repression, the administration a tool of punishment, and the police a body of dubious and mafia practices. These institutions, which instead of contributing to the well-being of citizens, converge to oppress any voice aspiring to freedom and dignity. You kidnap our militants, you torture them, you threaten the physicians who would dare to issue them with medical certificates showing the true facts of the abuse they have suffered. You have their lawyers arrested by thugs, threatening them if they do not turn back, like Kader Houali. You adopt the practices of the circuses which kidnap militants in foreign countries to exfiltrate them into your country, which has become open-air jails. The kidnapping of Lounas Hamzi reminds us of the kidnapping of Kurdish activist Abdullah Öcalan, leader of the Kurdistan Workers' Party, kidnapped in Kenya and exfiltrated into Turkey by the Turkish secret services. You kidnapped Lounas Hamzi, president of the Black West Coordination in Kabylia, and exfiltrated him to Algiers. By exfiltrating him into Algiers, you are effectively recognizing that Kabylia is a foreign country. You can kidnap as many activists as you want. You cannot kidnap their ideas. The idea of Kabylia's self-determination is in the mind of every single Kabyle today. You can't stop the idea of going in the direction of history. Kabylia paid a heavy price to free Algeria from the French, and the independence was confiscated, and this expression is by Farhat Abbas. Confiscated by those who never fired a single bullet like Boumediene, and who prohibited the practice of our language and closed the doors of schools and institutions. Even today, the Algerian regime is playing the time. The pseudo-recognition and the pseudo-constitution that you are trampling on is just window dressing, a recognition that is contracted by your primary anti-Kabylism, which has entered your veins. You have chosen to sacrifice our authentic identity for the benefit of the imported Arab identity, which you are struggling to impose on us. So, today, you should assume the consequences as more and more of us are claiming our independence under the international law of self-determination, adopted by the United Nations on September 16, 1966, and ratified by the Algerian government on the 8th of September 1968. As the late Mouloud Mamri once said, it is in the direction of his liberation that my people is going. We are all the Nes Hamzi. Long life freedom, long life free and independent Kabylia. Thank you.